Hey, what's up? It's Sam from HiViz LEDs and the Firetech brand, and this is the FT WL-X-9 on a swivel mount with a handle. The FT WL-X-9 swivel handle is one of my favorite fixtures in the range. We spent a long time developing the best way to attach a fixture to the truck where you wouldn't have concerns about the part falling off as it vibrates or the part seizing up. What we did was took an all aluminum two-piece billet base. We machined this thing to match the shape and size of the light, add a shoulder bolt, add 2 O-rings, and a thrust washer at the bottom that allows for this thing to be installed on a truck, prevents dirt and grime from getting inside, which causes corrosion, and it's also rebuildable. This fixture has a switch on the back, the handle on the top, and is designed to mount in the existing bolt pattern for a lot of the very common size light fixtures that were used in the fire apparatus industry for the last 20 years. For more information about the rebuildable FT WL-X-9 swivel handle, reach out to a Firetech team member for a demo.